Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact text to change. This ensures only the intended content is altered. Once selected, open the font dialog with Ctrl+D or click the small font group arrow on the home ribbon. In that dialog, you see the font size field. Type a number larger than 72 directly, for example 120, then press Enter. This method bypasses the ribbon drop-down limits and tells Word exactly the numeric size you want. So go ahead and type the new value now. Once you have the font dialog open, you can type any numerical value into the size box. Word accepts integers and decimals, so 150 or 36. 5 will work. If you need the change to apply across styles or the whole document, instead open Format Font from the ribbon menu and alter the size there. This lets you update normal or other styles. After typing the desired number, press Enter or click OK to apply. Make sure to preview the text, because very large sizes can affect layout and line. To finish, inspect the page layout. Increase margins, change orientation to landscape, or tweak line spacing so oversized text fits and reads well. If the size unexpectedly reverts, update the paragraph or character style by right-clicking the style and selecting Modify, then set the new font size to enforce it. If pasted content resists changes, paste as plain text, then reapply your font. Finally, use Print Preview to confirm appearance before saving or sharing. This prevents surprises when printing or exporting to PDF.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.